The Zodiac Killer's identity has finally been revealed. After decades of mystery, the real name of the infamous serial killer who called himself the Zodiac has been uncovered by the Case Breakers, a team of more than 40 ex-law enforcement officers, military intelligence experts, and journalists. Based on new forensic evidence, they've announced that the real name of the Zodiac is Gary Francis Post. They linked Post to the killings through new evidence, including some from his own darkroom, as well as by matching scars on his forehead to police sketches and by linking his actual name to the famous coded letters that the killer sent to newspapers following the grisly string of murders in the 1960s. Gary F. Post passed away in 2018, and he is yet to be confirmed as the Zodiac by law enforcement agencies overseeing the case, but we'll keep you updated as this story develops.